Hello, my name's Blaise Stephanus and I'm the president of Neointention LLC. Thanks for visiting the website. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about my experience, also talk about Neointention LLC, and a little bit about the project management that we do. There will be other videos that specialize in various aspects of project management that will be posted on our website, so be sure to look for them. But first of all, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I started out in project management in the 1980s and worked on big project management for NASA and DoD projects. That incorporated hydrofoil boats for Boeing Corporation that they were building for the Navy. It also satellites that Ball Corporation was building for the United States Air Force. Big projects, hundreds of millions of dollars, traditional project management. I got a good education in that, and then moved on to environmental cleanup work and project management in yet a different context. Still primarily government funded through private contractors, but smaller, some very small projects and some medium projects. Different environment, different tools needed. Then after that, I ended up going into private industry and actually worked and got my graduate degree at CU in telecommunications engineering, and went on and did a mix of engineering and project management for various architects, engineering firms, and IT companies. I did telecommunications project management on telecommunications installs and moves for various locations like Denver International Airport. Then I went off to an IT think tank and did technical work with Hewlett-Packard, Cisco Systems, a lot of the big people, providing advice to them on technical aspects of their plan. I also worked at building out and advising small communities in the western U.S. on the internet build-out and helped them. Of late, for the last 10 years, I've worked on various National Science Foundation projects, from $250 million huge experiments that range from the tip of Alaska to Baja California, to much smaller $10,000, $20,000 ice drilling experiments. Throughout all that experience, I have gotten a lot of insight and found out what project management and the traditional sources of project management do very well, and then the other areas where more is needed. I launched Neointention LLC with the idea to focus on areas and niches that were hard to serve and hadn't been served particularly well by traditional project management. I looked at various areas in risk management, especially the project management that would fit very well with small organizations, and I've also done project management in an agile, or what you might call a Scrum environment. I am certified both as a project management professional by the Project Management Institute, and also certified as an Agile certified practitioner by the same Project Management Institute. I'm also a Scrum Master. So I have ended up throughout my experience looking at many, many, many different layers of project management. A little bit about Neointention. Neointention is a name called New Intention. Neo is new. Intention comes from my martial arts training, and intention is a concept that we use in martial arts where we look towards a particular part of our or our opponent's body, focus on that, with the intention that the energy will go to it later. So it's the first move. I thought it was appropriate that that is more than just a martial arts concept, that it is more of a life concept, that where we usually go is where we focus in our energy on. So the type of consulting that's done here is one that is very, very concerned with focus and looking at whatever the organization is, at their needs and what they need, and custom tailoring project management to meet those needs. In coming videos, I will be talking about a few needs that stand out. I will be talking about a particular type of project management for small organizations. Small organizations have unique needs and particular traits that makes it very difficult sometimes to implement good project management. A, they don't have a lot of resources many times, and B, they need to have a very light, easy to turn around system. A lot of times their current tools aren't that good, which makes it particularly challenging. Challenging, but not impossible. So I will have a video that will talk about those dynamics and also talk about how to implement a system that's tuned to those dynamics. Another video will be one on agile project management and hybrid project management. We live in a great time right now because for years and years, project management, formal project management, is a new discipline. And it started out in what we call traditional project management. Now, of late, the last 10 years, there's been a thing called agile project management. Agile project management has a lot of different rules, a lot of different approaches to things than traditional. So just now, those two organizations are talking to each other, those two groups, and they're coming out with something where we can use maybe both, maybe a hybrid of either. So I'll be talking about that in my second video. On another video, I'll start talking about risk management, how to deal with risk, how to identify it, how to manage it, and particularly what we want to do as a continuing process to give us the early warning and discipline we need to react well to risk. Well, thanks a lot again for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoy a lot of the other videos that I'm putting up, and don't hesitate to contact me on my website. That's Blaise Stephanus at Blaise, Blaise, at Neointention.com. Thank you very much.